How to fix SecurityHealthSSO.dll bad image error 0xc000012f in Windows 11. Hello friends, you might be unable to access the Windows Security app on your computer. And when you log into your account, this error message might appear. Follow the steps to fix it. Click on File Explorer icon from the taskbar. Go to this PC. Click on the drive where the Windows is installed. On my computer, Windows is installed on C drive. Open the drive. Create a new folder here. Right click. Select New and click on Folder. Name this folder Temp, T-E-M-P. Minimize the window. Then go to the video description and click on the link to SecurityHealthSSO.dll.zip file. The file will be downloaded in your default browser. After downloading is completed, click on this folder icon. Click on Extract All. On this window, click on Browse. Select the newly created folder, Temp folder. Go to this PC, C drive, find Temp, select it. Select folder, click on Select folder. Then click on Extract. Launch command prompt. Click on Search. Type CMD. Select Run as Administrator. On Yes. Again go to the video description. You will have to run these commands. In the first command, replace this version number with the version on your error message. On your error message, the version number of DLL file is given. Version number on this error message is 10.0.27777.1008-0. Replace the version number 10.02777.1008-0. Now run this command on your computer. Copy, paste, enter. Here the message is system cannot find the path specified because I am not getting this error message. On your computer, you might be getting the file copied successfully. Copy the second command. Paste into the command prompt and press enter. Copy the third command. Paste. After running these commands, close all the tasks running on your computer and restart your computer. The issue will be fixed. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.